Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to convert your PDF file into a Word file. So if you want to edit anything, you can convert it into your Word, edit it, and then convert it back into PDF. So this is going to be a little bit different since you're going to do it online and not with a downloaded installed software. Okay, so this is my PDF file right here. It's facts. It states that TechnoRight is where technology is done right, and you should subscribe right now, which you guys should. Okay, so yeah, so let's get straight into the tutorial, shall we? So we're going to go into your browser right here, double click on that, and then here you're going to type PDF to Word, and then it states here converter. Okay, so click on that, and then you can see something here that says Adobe. So click on the file from Adobe, so convert PDF to Word online for free. So this link will be in the description below, so you can just click on it and just get to there. Okay, and then here it states we have to select a file, so just click on that, select a file, go into desktop, find your PDF file, open, it's uploading, let it upload. I prefer to trust Adobe since it's a multinational company, and yeah, so the file's ready, so you can just download it, and it's being downloaded, so we can just open it, and yeah, you can just enable editing, and it's back. So you can edit your file here and then save it as PDF again or convert it back to your PDF. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very straightforward tutorial, and yeah, hope it helps. So thanks for watching, folks.